Hello there, creative Tartanites, and welcome to day 7 of "'Tis the Season to be Jolly" journaling, my version of the daily December. Today's prompt is, what's your favourite December movie? Now, I've kept it as December movie because this could be any type of movie that happens to be your favourite for watching in December. For me, my favourite December movie probably has to be Christmas movies, and it's probably has to be It's a Wonderful Life. I love that movie. I grew up thinking that that movie was called When Clarence Gets His Wings, because when it came on the television, my mum would shout up to me, "Tanya, Clarence Gets His Wings is on the television." So it was years later when I finally discovered that it was actually called It's a Wonderful Life. It's an old movie, it's a classic movie, I love that movie. It gets me every single time. So let's get on with the page. This is yet another very simple, very easy. Again, you might think I'm cheating, but I'm using what I've got. So if you are a scrapbooker or card maker and you have this kind of thing in your stash, then use it. I came across, these are double-sided. I'm not that keen on this side, but I quite liked this side. So I'm going to use it to make a tuck. And this is, I can write on either side, and I can write on both sides, and that is going to be where I'm going to do my journaling. So, you know, if you have these things and they're to hand, then there's no reason why you can't use them. If you don't, then, you know, simply get some cardstock. You can draw some lines on it, you can colour it in, you can paint it, you can stick pattern paper on it, do whatever you want to do to make your big journaling card. And all you need is a rectangle of cardstock, just thin cardstock, or even just paper will be suffice. And you, for this one, I'm gluing it down just the two sides to make the tuck, and then I'm going to pop it in. So let me show you how I do that. I've got some Fabri-Tac here, again, as I said before. This I'm using because I've discovered that it does not show through this. Some of the other wet glues, so things like tacky glue and this tacky glue as well, it's a high tack glue. These are both wet mediums and they seem to go through the paper. So I'm going to use the Fabri-Tac, and I am going to just run a small bead along that side, and then that side, and I'll quickly pop the lid on. Oh, I can smell that glue. And I'm not going to put it all the way down in the corner, but I am going to press it like so. And I'm going to get a dry baby wipe, and I'm going to use that to run along and get any excess that squeezes out. Don't really want it to glue my fingers down or get on my fingers. If you don't like seeing the glue, just be very careful. But I think it does pick off. And there we have it. It is as simple as that. That has taken me all of 5 minutes. Probably taken me longer to find the things than to actually make it. So see what you can come up with, see what you can find in your stash, and make this very, very, very quick and simple page to answer the prompt. What's your favourite December movie? I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye for now.